Are you still a code cutter, copying, pasting code snippets from ChatGPT? Well, we all know that it's not going to take us a long run. The people who grow in IT, deep tech, or anything related to technology are the ones who think like architects. But hang on. What do architects do, and who are really architects?
Indian architects have many stuff to do in this edge or cutting edge technologies. And they are the people who design, and they are the people who guide engineers, they are the people who focus on the deliveries too. If you think about different architects that we meet in today's industry, we do have enterprise architects who focus on enterprise part of the business. And we also have business architects too. They focus on business strategies and how an organizational business part works. We have solutions architects. They focus on different solutioning aspects. We also have technical architects too. Many of you might have heard of application architects and software architects. Yes, this is what we can see in today's market of architects.
Well, in Theory to Trade, we have seen that many people who join T2T typically stuck not because that they can't code, but because they lack the skills of how to design bigger systems or any other system. That's what I believe separates seniors from juniors or typical coders from architects. Well, Lahiru, what are the typical skills, normal skills that's needed for someone who is starting career, especially who has a dream of being an architect?
But there are many crucial skills or important skills that needs to be there, and not only that, it should be hands-on, specifically focusing on programming. Or if you are building an application, you need to understand application architecture. So for a person who is going to be an application architect one day, or even though you are not a developer or an engineer who are going to develop applications, you need to understand design patterns. There are different design patterns still. We do have creational, structural, behavioral. We are going to go through many of these design patterns in our content. We do have solutions architect and enterprise architect too. Before digging into the deeper picture of this architectural journey, application architecture patterns are one of the crucials.
This program is not just another class where we teach you design patterns or basically the theory. Above all, this is Theory to Trade, T2T. We work with you, co-create systems, to co-create design systems. And you will leave this program with a complete architecture-related assignment, 40 plus hours of work, direct coaching and mentoring with senior architects like Lahiru in the industry. That means you will apply, you will really do it, not just attend the class or just listen to us. What do we do within these 40 plus hours of work, Lahiru?
We are more into practicality, Tirina. We are not going to deliver another theoretical course. We are going to look into the coding part of it. Whoever join with us are going to get a chance to write a code and compile it and to deploy it. So you can see how application design patterns are going to be in practical. So we, of course, are going to cover up a bit of introduction, and we are going to talk about patterns and styles. We are going to look at the quality attributes of it. More or less, we are focusing on the pragmatical approach. We are going to do a lot of practicals, and you are going to code with me, and we are going to enjoy that journey together. Yeah, well, the difference in this program is to talk about and is to apply whatever the theory is in hands-on.
You're going to meet, ladies and gentlemen, Lahiru on October 31st onwards for a 40-hour work week. You got to work with him. You got to work with senior architects like Lahiru. So upgrade yourself. Register now. We'll see you on 31st October.